What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, how are you? My name is Jay and thank you for stopping by. For today's video, I am going to be doing a Shein haul and unboxing and a try on for you guys. So if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into the video. This is the first package. Okay, so this is the first package. I can't really show the front. This is our first package. Now let's see what's inside this one. So first thing is a mirror. Now guys, this mirror is so tiny. I thought it was gonna be a bit bigger because when I just started my channel, I was saying that I need to get a mirror, and I did order one thinking it would be a bit bigger, but this is how it came. But it's still super cute. It's still super cute. So I got a mirror. Sometimes it's best to look at the reviews and stuff first, but I got this rug. It's so tiny, but I got it for underneath my desk to put my foot because it is a bit cold on the tile. So I got it for under my desk. After I'm done recording, I'll show you guys how it's gonna look under the bottom when I'm done filming. But I got a little rug for under my desk for my feet. Super cute. It's a bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I do think it's the perfect size. I do think it's the perfect size for under my table, so I'm not complaining. And it's really soft, really soft. So I got some headbands. Now I have a vision for these, but they're not for right now. It's kind of for my birthday, but I bought these with a vision, so stay tuned for that video to see how I use them. But I thought they were really cute, and it just fits what I want to do with the gold. So I'm not gonna talk too much, but this is some headbands that I got. I don't remember how much they were for, but I will check and then put the information here or over here. Okay, so I also got these hairpins. This is also something that is an idea or a concept that I have for my birthday. It looked like it broke, like a piece of it broke, but it's still workable and it's still cute. I really love this one and this one. I'm gonna use them for my birthday for what I have in mind of doing, so keep in mind I'm gonna use these. I got me some shoes. I can't even show my feet right now, they're really messed up, but I got these shoes. It feels really comfortable. But on squeezing, it feels really comfortable. I hope it's durable because I'm really in need of some shoes. So yeah, got me these. Oh, this is like a heating cap. That's what this is. So you put your blow dryer here and the heat transfers to the top to like when you want to steam your hair or have it dry. That's what this is for. And this was really cheap too. I think it was $5. But yeah, that's what this is. These are some curlers. These are what I have been waiting for the past month. Some spiral curlers and some wave curlers. So if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned for that video because I have been waiting for these for the longest. I really do hope that they turn out good. So I'm gonna do some couple research to see how they use it and what products do they put in their hair to use it. So I'm gonna do that and then test these out. So if you're interested in that video as well, stay tuned to my channel. I got you. I'm coming through with some videos, some content. So these are some makeup brushes that I bought because the ones that I have are really old, and it's neat how they put the different types of uses of brushes because I am not a makeup artist, so I don't know which brush is for what. So this will help a lot with that. So that's cool that they put that on there. And let me see if I can open that up to see. Okay. They're so cute. Ooh. Let me see if they actually put the number on it. Okay, so I don't see any numbers, which I thought they would have, but this is how they are looking. Super cute. It goes with my look, what I like. I do like almost like a blush pink in gold, so that's really cute that they have it like that. So I couldn't put these up. They were a bit on the more, ooh, it's almost have that chemical smell, but it feels really soft, really soft. But yeah, I got some makeup brushes so I can throw some of the old ones away. But yeah, super cute. What is that? Oh, it's glitter. Yeah, so that's what I got in this. I thought they would have put the number on it so you can know which one is for which, but I guess not. But yeah, that's this. Super cute. This is a shirt that I bought. I'm gonna put a side by side here so you can see how it looks when I put it on. But I thought it was really nice. I saw someone on Island have a shirt similar to this and I thought it was so cute. So I went above and beyond to look for something similar to it, and I found this and it was so cute. So I decided to buy it. These type of style is called cold shoulder. So just in case you want to look up something like this on Fashion Nova or Shein, that's what these type of shirts are called. Also, all of these are from Shein. I didn't buy anything from Fashion Nova this month. So I got me an eyelash applicator to put my eyelashes on because I'm still new to this and I am struggling sometimes to put them on. So I thought of getting this to help me out. And this is another Shein. I really like this bag. I think I'm gonna keep some of them. And I think this is another cold shoulder shirt. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the next one. I bought size large, but hopefully it fits. It looks a bit too big. But I bought size large in this one. And it's another cold shoulder. This is size large and the white was in medium. But I really love this color. I really want to get back into wearing yellow. I feel like yellow is such a pretty color on my skin. I love blue, so it was a win-win for me. And I can't wait to wear it. I am gonna try them on and put something right here for you guys. These look so dramatic, but I got me some lashes to try on. Hopefully I'll feel comfortable wearing them. If not, I'll just give them away. But yeah, I got me some lashes because I'm really trying to get into this whole makeup thing and really get into it and do the whole full set, full glam. So yeah, pray for me, guys. Okay, so I got me another shirt. This is almost a crop top like. I'd have to put it on so you guys can see, or I'll put a picture or something of how it looks. I thought it looked nice. I love the wine red color. It's like a burgundy color, even though my light is making it look a bit brighter than that. But this is how it's looking. If I don't try it on, I'm going to put a picture of how it looks right there. But I thought it was really cute too. Even though it's a crop top, I'm going to maybe wear like a high jeans with it, with like a jacket or something. So another one. Oh, and the reason why I bought mostly shirts, and I don't think I bought any pants, but the reason why I bought shirts is because I don't have a lot of shirts. I do give away or donate my clothes every year or every couple months, so I ran out of shirts, so I had to buy some new ones. And I bought this cute little case for my makeup. I thought it was so cute. It's from the She Glam collection, and I thought it was just so cute, and it goes well with the colors of the brushes and the color that I like, again with the blush pink. So I went and got this as well. It was so cute, and I had like the little hearts on it. I couldn't resist. Look at that, that's so cute. So this is a dress, but again, this is not for me. I purchased this from my mother-in-law. So I'm not sure if she'll be comfortable in trying these on for you guys, but if she is, I will give you guys a little peek here of how it looked on her. If not, then I'll just post the picture of what it looks like here. So just in case, all the dresses that I have is for my mother-in-law, and if she doesn't want to, or if she doesn't feel comfortable putting them on to try on for you guys here on my channel, then I'll just show you guys a picture of what it looks like. Now this is our last box. I don't know what's inside here, so it said that it's from Shein, so I guess it's some more of my stuff. Okay, so in that box I got an Amazon package, and it looks like it's the earrings that I bought from my daughter. She keeps misplacing her stuff, so I got her some new ones, and they're so tiny. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try. And they're like a rose gold color. They're not real. So that's what she has here. That's what came in that package. Next up we have, oh Lord, don't tell me to break. I got, okay, so I purchased a car mount from Shein. It's unassembled inside, so it won't really show, but I got a car mount just so if I do any mukbang or just car videos, I have something to put my phone on. So that's what's in here. Again, this is another one of my mother-in-law's dress, and the other one is her other dress. So I'm just taking all her dresses out. So I got me a robe, another robe. I bought this in the size XL because I want it to be big and comfortable. And it's so soft, again in my blush pink color. I really love this color because it's not so girly. It's more of like a luxurious type of color. Like, it's not bright and vibrant. It's just give like a subtle, you know, feminine touch. And that's what I like about this color. So yeah, I got me a robe. It's so soft. Okay, so I got me some bed shoes, or some in-house shoes. Super soft. I thought it would have been a bit more like this color, but turns out to be just a way lighter. But yeah, I bought it in the size 9. I hope they will fit because I'm not so sure about their sizing, because I think this is my first time actually purchasing from Shein. So I just bought a couple stuff to try out to see if I like it or not, or just to know how their sizes and stuff work. But this is so soft. I really like it, and I'll try some of these on to see how they look, and I will put that video. I bought some pajamas as well. This look really nice. The fabric doesn't it feel almost cottony. It's not bad, and it's really stretchy. It's in the size large as well. Oh, and it comes, thank you, and it comes with a face mask, with a sleeping mask. It came with a sleeping mask. I bought 2. I thought I only bought 1, but I bought 2. So this is my next one that I bought. I completely forgot what I bought, but this is the next one here. And this one also comes with a face mask as well. I think I'll buy another one of these. This feels really nice. It feels a little bit, it is thin. It is thin, as you can see through it, but it doesn't feel as cheap as it is. So that's a good buy right there. The last thing that I purchased. So this is another off shoulder. I thought this would have been more of a denim shirt, but it's not. It's just a denim color. But super cute. I love it as well, and that's why I purchased it. So yeah, I will put if I don't do videos of myself, I will just put a picture of how it looks. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.